Time for a ramen review. 32 Bang Bang chicken feel good flavour, made with the goodness of rice bran oil. Some oil, 2 seasoning packs. So what's this one? This looks like some sort of spicy stuff. Let's give it a try. Yes, very spicy. This one, let's get it all in there. Let's have a taste of that. That one's a bit more savoury. Open that one. Let's just have a wee flavour. When we get to 10,000 followers on TikTok, I'm going to try these ones. So get it followed and share this video with your friends so they know to follow as well so they can see me tasting that. I don't know if it's this one. Anyway, 3 minutes on this one. Right, let's get the lid on it. So last time I did one of these, it was the Bang Bang green curry ones. And it was super spicy, and I hadn't realised that the Bang Bang might have something to do with that. I'm hoping this, well, it wasn't super spicy, it was just spicy enough, but the noodles were perfect. They're just like a bit firm, but not like crunchy, and not soggy like those rubbish super noodles. So I've got high hopes for this one. Let's see how it goes. 3 minutes. We're ready. Let's get this one tried. Bang Bang noodles chicken feel good flavour from KoLee. Loads of veggies in this one as well. Love to see it. Smells good. Smells very good. Let's have a try. Let's go in for that bite. Oh, that's better than the curry one. Oh, steamy glasses alert. The noodle is like, they're just perfect. Get this and get those crap super noodles. Tell me which one you think's better. Carrot. I don't know what the green stuff is. Oh, dried vegetable, dried carrot, dried onion leaf. Onion leaf. From Lidl, by the way, or Aldi, something like that. About £1 each. Oh, let's have a look in the ramen cupboard, see what we've got left. We've got Coca Tom Yum flavour. We've got Coca Beef. We've got Coca Curry. Oh, we're a bit low on noodles just now. That's all I've got. Oh, no, it's not. I've got this one as well. I've got 2 more. I've got the Jim Bro chicken and mushroom pot noodle. Pot noodle doner kebab flavour. And I've got some doner meat in the freezer, which I'm going to put in this one. Which one should I try first? Which one should I try next? Leave it in the comments. Right, I'm going to finish this. I'm going to finish this Bang Bang noodles now. Remember and follow, and we'll try this one when we get to 10,000 followers.